a few weeks, I think, after you started working in Iceland, there were some, articles, and there was criticism where you were discredited and said disqualified because of the views you had expressed. How do you interpret that?
Well, I think that was kind of offering services for the future indicted people to choose the lawyer among the people taking this position. And it is also very common confusing, I think, because it has never been forbidden to say that there are suspicions of offences and crimes having been committed, and that it is legitimate to make investigation. You know, the presumption of innocence has never protected against investigations. And this is kind of confusion that that has been, yes, that we have seen a lot in many countries in Europe. And it's very traditional when the case is bad, that you try to go after the players and not after the case.
So these are puppets in a way?
Yes, they are.